Fucking retarded to play. Shut up.
Yeah,
But you are more brown than black or what?
I'm a fucking Mexican. Mexican are very brown.
Yeah.
Black people are very black.
Yeah, but what about your crap you make?
Well, what about the crap you make? What about the crap you make? Okay.
Come on, please.
Yeah.
What's your name?
I'm really that's okay.
Hey, Mexican. What's your name?
My name is Fabi.
Happy.
Okay. Yes, again.
Yeah.
Hey, Mexican. What's your name?
My name is Fabio Sandrigo.
Very nice. How are you today?
I'm very cold.
That's just the snow or what? Is it or what?
Yeah, it's because it's the snow. It's freezing my my feet
Yeah.
because I can't afford boots. I only go in socks.
Okay, nice. But what about racist in USA? Do they hate you or shoot you or cause you're a black guy?
I've a lot. I've seen many people where if I cross the street, then they just walk away or say,
Yeah.
who's okay, who?
And like driving you over. Like
Yeah, they it's
it's
actually very sad. They are, my life are like nothing for them.
I can understand that. You said like
You suck really bad.
It's
så er det bedst at vi
okay.
så det er bare sådan ikke sådan hænger sammen. Det er det samme scene 3 gange.
Nej, fisk, gå til. Fuck.
Min bukser, mand! Nej!
Og på de film.
That's not good.
Det her okay.
I don't think that's good.
It smells good.
Yeah, can we continue?
No way. Find ham. Well, how about your family? Are they also poor there in Mexico?
Yeah, I got 11 kids.
Altså, hvor gammel er du?
Really tell you.
Nå, altså, hvor gammel er du? Altså, sådan, hvor gammel er du? 30 eller 40 eller?
Hold up!
Okay, ask again. Again.
But how about your family in Mexico?
I think they are. I send them money.
But how do you earn money?
I'm working on a factory. I'm working on.
Okay, nice. But what are those factories made? Okay, det kan ikke der.
Og nu han tror jeg, at man skal skære, men du kan bare få en anden en, at det er meget bedre end antalstræk.
Det er sygt.
Du kan ikke bruge så meget bruncreme.
Det var ikke. Det er sådan mere sådan pudsovn for.
Yeah, good time.
Jeg er her.
Okay.
Og optager.
Kom nu i gang!
Hi.
Hi.
How are you today?
I'm not very good. It's very cold outside.
Because of the snow. But how about your family? Are they also poor?
Yeah, they're very poor. I send them money so they can live just a little bit better.
Yeah. But I've heard your uncle got shooted by Al Qaeda.
That's. Nu begyndte vi at gætte, hvad det gik pisse godt, fordi jeg så begyndte at grine.
Det er sgu da.
Du skal også spørge, hvad mit navn er.
Ja, okay.
Fabio Sandrigo.
Nej, omvendt.
Okay.
Nej, det er Fabio Sandrigo. Jeg kan ikke sige Sandrigo her. Jeg skal jo sige, det er Fabio Sandrigo, ikke så? Okay.
Okay.
13 minutter tilbage, drenge.
Okay, what's your
13 minutter, var det ikke på 25 før?
Nej, vi gør det er strøm på
okay,
25
what's
minutter.
your name, son? What is your name, son?
My name is Fabio Sandrigo.
Nice. But how do you earn money?
I'm working on a factory.
Nice. What are they making? Like.
We are we take old metal and melt it. And then make some new other forms
Nice.
metal.
Is it good paid or what?
No, I earned $1 in hour.
That's not much.
No,
But where do you sleep?
sometimes I sleep on the street if I not can
Like
find.
just on the moose thing.
No, in the park or.
Mm.
But sometimes I can find a shell or
Yeah,
something and sleep in.
but don't the cop come and get you out of the park or what?
Yes, I haven't. I've seen someone been taken by the cops. Then I just ran
Fast or what?
very fast,
Or slow?
very fast.
Sensation. Sluk de kameraer. Time.
Hvorfor?
What about your spare time?
There's not very much to tell. I have 2 jobs, one in the day and one in the afternoon, and that go on into the middle of the night. So I only get a 4 hours sleep or something.
So you are pretty mad the day after.
I'm not mad, but I'm very tired.
But what about your family?
They, I think they are having better now, because they
like, because you are in USA
and I send the money, but they don't have to. They don't have. They don't have to give me food, so they have a mouth less to feed.
Yeah. Nice. So they are eating tacos or what?
Yeah, they are eating tacos, I think, and maybe they're stealing something from the farmers down.
So what are you eating here in USA?
What I can find, I buy some very very okay, thin style. What are you eating?
Me?
Nej, spørg lige igen.
Yeah, I'm eating a sandwich.
Spørg lige igen.
What are you eating?
What I can find, sometimes I go in the mall to buy to buy
Mall.
shopping mall. Mall. I'm not very
Jeg aner
good.
ikke, hvad det er.
I'm not very good to English, but
You suck.
fuck af, nu begynder det igen.
Ja.
Okay. Spørg det igen. What are you eating?
What are you eating?
Not very much. Everything I can find. Sometimes I boil something, but and that's hold for more days. Pause. Pause er det.
Pause, Dennis.
Pause.
Pause.
Tror jeg, det er nu.
Ej, det gør det ikke.
Hvad?
Jeg begynder at stoppe filmen.
Der pauser også. Jeg tager billeder af det.
Okay,
Hvad siger
men du ikke. Ej, for helvede, hallo, hvad?
Det har jeg.
Not. Vi er ikke klar.
Ej, det er det, du får fat i. Det kan man sige sådan.
Okay. Ej, det kan få ned, at jeg sov for meget sådan. Det må gerne se sådan fattigt ud, det ser fattigt ud.
Det er rigtig fat ud, det andet.
Så det her, det...
Sådan er så hvis der ikke flere.
Ej, jo, helvede dig.
5 minutter tilbage.
Der er bare en masse billeder. Og det vil også gerne være et af hele min krop. Må se det der billede. Ej, hvad skete der?
Du skal være et tæt, hvor der står beskyt. Nede.
Hvad siger du?
Så er det dårligt, Anton. Vi skal lige have et nyt. Er du klar, Anton? Hele din krop nu.
I det selv skal sådan stå ved siden.
Man kan ikke få din fed med, Anton.
Okay, så prøv at gå længere tilbage.
Så skal jeg bare som mexican smide mig ikke skralder, han smider mig ikke tilbage. Somebody's really cool, Anton, ikke? Somebody's really cool. Tag, hvor han er helt nøgen som en pose over hovedet. Hvad føler du?
Må se billedet.
Nej, jeg skal lige tage flere. Så har han så kigge på mig, Anton. I er gode. I er gode, Anton.
Prøv lige, jeg skal lige se dem,
Jeg skal nu fra den anden side af. Fuck, mange billeder nu, Anton.
Shit, man. Fuck, jeg skal lige se dem,
Nå, skal du lige